Welcome to the economic calendar and welcome to Mkiki Trade. Today, it's a day to get busy. Starting things off with the German prelim CPI. I think you should wait because it's an all-day event. I think you should wait for that at 2 o'clock my South African time, but 8 o'clock US time if you're using US time. And I think the prelim GDP, yeah, you should use that, and also the unemployment claims. So enough of the calendar now. Let's go into the charts. As you can see, start our analysis on the daily because it's a daily outlook. As you can see, it tapped in nicely yesterday, hit the other block now. You might assume that it's selling, but when you look at it, this is the first structure being broken. Maybe the target would be to break this off, but I'm seeing a swing point over here. Maybe it's exhausted and then try to tank it. If it does goes up, maybe it goes 50% of this. If you do want a stronger dollar, I think I should show you this. If you're hoping for a stronger dollar, what it's doing right now, retracing here, it's quite actually a good thing. You might target a gap, and you might target this one, but if I was targeting a gap, I would target this one, not this one. I would use this one as a much more breakaway gap type of thing. Let's see what the 1 hour is doing. Yeah, probably I would take out these two liquidities and then maybe squeeze an entry here, because if you want to go long, I think, or you want to go short, it's actually quite doing the right thing by coming down, retracing, so that when it takes out liquidity on the other side, it gets it, and maybe it hits our targets. Hopefully, yesterday, I know I said it was a no trade day, so any trade that you would have got possibly what can I say with it? You would have got possibly the Australian dollar one, but hopefully, I saw some shorts on the London and also on on the American session. So, yeah, hopefully you got something. But gold, gold, gold actually did well. It hit our target for yesterday. I may show you. You see, yesterday we talked about this level 50% over here, and then it's coming back, retracing. All good stuff for those who wanna go, for all those who wanna go, start going, picking shorts now, because yeah, I think this is a breaker. Maybe if it just stands here up until first two, know that you have a likelihood of selling. I think everyone is looking at that let it come to me, let me be patient with it, and let me pull the trigger at 2 or 8 o'clock New York time. So yeah, hopefully it gets in here, and then we tank it. And then what's another and okay, GBP, GBP. Silver did the same thing. Okay, but I don't give GBP, JPY. I think it's a bit of a consolidation, meaning one now is going to start to move between the British pounds, your euros, your risk assets. Maybe if it starts consolidating, it means the dollar, it's uh, it's going to start to trend. So that's how normally it goes with this. And feel free to wait for the analysis on the of the monthly time frame, how we do things here, because it has some pretty much good insights about going into the month of September. Going back on the pound, it did marvelously well. So yeah, the gap here over here, it's rebalanced. I don't know what you can say about that, and also broke this structure. So I would quite well wait for a sell around 2:30 on the on the what you can say. But going with the higher time frame premises, that was going all along. But seeing this recent structure getting broken, uh, it makes me kind of not wanna be sitting in anyone's advising anyone. But if I were to go with the gun on my head, if you were to put me life or death situation, I would go for a short first, at least try to cover all this and maybe try and come here. But obviously, the bias is long for this up until it touches the monthly time frame. So, yeah, hopefully you wait up until 2 o'clock, because I think that's when the German CPI is gonna come out, and then half past two you got GDP, you got unemployment claims. So it's pretty much just a packed week. Lovely days to trade. If it takes out this liquidity first, just know we're going down. So in news time, it could wanna take this liquidity first and then come here, and then just know that you can get yourself roundabout here, just like what we did on the on the what on the Australian dollar. Same thing as euro. I would want it to come and take this relative two equal lows on the daily. Looking at the 4 hour, yeah, take out these two relative equal lows, because this is a short term low now. Yeah, I didn't take this one out, so it came here. So possibly if it comes here, then it goes. And I'm seeing quite a bit of a divergence over here. This one doesn't want to go up like its counterpart, the GBP. So it could be some divergence. Maybe it manipulates down first, and then you get that those longs that we were speaking about. So yeah, pretty much. You should clap hands for yourself if you listened to me and held for all this time, and then you would get your own type of trades. And then Nasdaq, guys, I'm really happy about this one. I'm really happy about this one. We spoke about this level, so I think a good, a good way to show how we trade in this. We call the markets to do what it does on everything, and we did hit the target for the week that I wanted. So and also giving you a retracement if you were awake. So I'm really loving it. It went according to plan and everything else. And then let's uh, let's uh, let's give the new one. Uh, the crypto, it's not the new type of an asset which I've been looking, but for those I just wanted to do a cross pair, forex and metal and a crypto. I was thinking of adding oil, but for the case of this analysis, I'm thinking that it could go long, 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 long. But if you want me to add oil, feel free to ask or comment. Yep, I think I said that you should take your shorts over here. If it gets into this gap and this order and this order block over here, I think you have something. But technically, I would want it to come into the gap again, take out these two, and then go a little bit on the downside. If it takes out this liquidity, then tank it down again. So that's it for the daily market outlook, guys. Everything is looking kind of going short, so that's the bias. Go short again, and then by the start of equities open, take all your profits, and then yeah, I think that should be wrapping it. So hopefully you find this one insightful, and you like and subscribe for more content like this. But I won't stop. So hopefully you come around and you do it. Yeah, guys.